Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwa ba de ba GNCN page so me din e de adwa searching na efia Schwarzenegger e na OTZ NDC fo a o chese NDC fo parking kan NDC fo reading NDC fo de omo abon ankasa na de ti efia Schwarzenegger e ka se nyina ne se yeto aba e wo Ghana ha no NDC fo so omo ento omo ase so omo awe into omo de asem no e be court na efia e chese mo amose mo ti mo hwase nti mu nimpa se aba na yeto na ewia e no mo awiem amo akan mu bibia mo aye ready se mo de course afia de nti na mukodu court a mo se mo asanso aye mistake then no e na fia Schwarzenegger e kire se NDC for empe akenkan nti wasere mo papa na adofo ye nyina nim se fia Schwarzenegger e yobi a ope NDC for asem papa na ope NDC for asem menka me sa because ebeka ya 2016 abra yebeto aba e wo Ghana ha no no efia Schwarzenegger e na Tracy Boachi Mesbe omo ye campaign odi emu odin papa e de mama pani dada John Dramani Mahama e wo Ghana ha no ma e ne ho sem bebre e na SCC na this year yankoda enko sorry efia Schwarzenegger ye nyeni so ye ndisi ni a ope oma pani dada na sempa e de abeto internet ne so se Ghana free na ento aba no efa ema nanado because free SHS no e ya de a eboa papa enti se Ghana fo eto aba no e de ema nanado a che se wo ye janka titru pa ye janka fo no omo ma me se bi omo ni bi a fie sheda enye no ho benya so fa so na ya de free SHS no ye in fact asem we ebeto internet ne so no amanfo bebre e kaseti ase efia Schwarzenegger na o kase because efia that we all know no or ye NDC ni ne ba ne sen ana NPP fo abone pa na efia Schwarzenegger se dabi NPP fo embone pa na asase so aye we se ade papa ekoso a ese wo support nipa ofudua pa no e na yepia no ti se na nado abe president na se ode free SHS aba adenti e na on support because after all no number 2 boys no omo eko free SHS ni bia went to school fees e ho sembe ye bebre e wo Ghana ha no because na mafu bebre ni se efia Schwarzenegger ono a ona oboa odada na nado ampa efia koso aye campaign e de ema NPP amayoku na nyame encha de na nado etimi emini na abato no ekowie ya omo ebobo wi na omo de wi na ne din ebetu ja no NDC fo so omo enti omo hase omo de asem no eko court na omo kodu court no e na efia Schwarzenegger e chese omo se omo aye mistake na mistake ben na fia omo eka na na fia Schwarzenegger e chese NDC for parking kan omo empe adehia enti e na anytime bia omo eye mistake na yenti ensema efia Schwarzenegger e de etudwa
ewiase benkra na ebi ni mo aba ne zei won was first time if you say bia chairman of Oswampofo said you offer flag bearer bia ye Joshua Labi money as you don't get him doing but they say there asam ya serious ai ya ka bana mu jira mo nsa hihye mboto mo si awia moki mo amose mo court akwa correct election flaws mo na mo correct mistake no my mistake yeah right Tonelita yeah right oh lo ya tamako o china ma be chire mo oke obi antie any pressure will say boy when I sabi dem fiasha who could am ken kaya de ewiase benkra na ebi ni mo aba ne zei won was first time if you say bia chairman of Oswampofo said you offer flag bearer bia ye Joshua Labi money as you don't get him doing but they say there asam ya serious ai ya ka bana mu jira mo nsa hihye mboto mo si awia moki mo amose mo court akwa correct election flaws mo na mo correct mistake no my mistake yeah right Tonelita yeah right oh lo ya tamako o china ma be chire mo oke obi antie any pressure will say boy when I sabi dem fiasha who could am kaya dear. No, Uncle Yenny, you. Obu obajo ba onko tete ne yie. What I say? Make sense subium. Make sense subium. When you allow a 14 years boy, a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kwalani di 18 na die no be. Sakola no di 18 na edie na sakola no obeye. We should be bia e was a way as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa wonsa ye. Madam, uton nsu a unye kurase ni o uton nsu a. Let me just remind you something. Mama min kai mu bibi ketuwe. Me ame papa say Kwame Despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Wayeden otonchine. You two are your dated sorts. Any dear. Otonchine. Na wo wadi I was going to mean donjine. Oh wadi. Oh wadi I was going to mean donjine. Doctor said Kwame Despite. Oton enchine. He sells salt. Fa won say aduma na ya aduma wuda. Uye aduma wuda. Doctor Oforisapo specialize here on the 30 year. Ensure. Why the would catch Dr. Oforisapo? Otonsio. And no pepe casachra wajune. Otonsio. Obi umia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I am strongly against Obideneba. Na Ojana, no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una betimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you have to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch in the coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. May cancer subium. Raise your kids. Do something. A yensuum pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is what you have to do something. What is it? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba so. That is it. I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a baby and jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. What I say? And jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem beka ya no no. Ko to amen komos why? Dem beka ya no no. Ko to amen komos. Me sa kesi so. Obi de bejawa. Hweni yie. Titini yie. Me house girls grab no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy ya feel Mommy, yeah, few. Mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house,